Good morning, what's happening everyone? Welcome to Orange County, Irvine. It is another beautiful day. I don't know if you can see, it's sunny and actually quite windy. That's why I'm inside right now. I just finished packing my luggage. It is our last day in the Chan household. Thank you Ron and Phon for hosting us for the past 4 days. So hopefully we will see you guys in December for the Christmas holidays and catch up again. Again, thank you for awesome 4 days of our shenanigans. So today, what we got today? Today we are, I think we're gonna have brunch down at Laguna Beach. Ron and Chris are currently out getting some supplies. The rest of the guys are just finishing packing up. They are upstairs. I don't know. Oh, Jay's in the washroom again. So yeah, those guys are getting up. I've packed my gear and just charging last minute things. Battery pack. Let's see. So later this afternoon we are heading to LA or Santa Monica to check into our Airbnb in Santa Monica somewhere, or I think UCLA or somewhere in that vicinity. And then we are heading to the comedy house, or comedy something. Anyway, yeah. So we are gonna spend a couple hours there tonight, just chilling, just watching some comedians, and then if everyone's still up and not tired, we will head to 26th Avenue Tacos, Street Tacos. Yeah, and that's pretty much our day. We just have a couple more days left in California. We are leaving on Tuesday after the Labor Day. So yeah, so we have a few days in Santa Monica. I think we're going to the spa, and then some more hiking. I think in Canyon, just I think that's the Hollywood sign trail. So that will be one of these days. I think Sunday morning or not. I think Chris and myself are gonna go do some hot yoga in Santa Monica. See what else? I don't know. Maybe just chill on the beach the rest of the week or the rest of the last 2 days. Yep. But anyhow, I will catch you in Laguna Beach for brunch. See ya. These guys.
Oh hi.
Oh hi's. Who's winnings?
Not us. Not us. It's wrinkle soup. Zah. Just kidding.
Oh, this is the game. We flew all the way down here just to play this every morning.
It's more fun down there.
Good times. Being awesome, child. Chris.
Oh.
The cliff. Alright. Where are these? Whoa. Where are these? Where are they? Oh, here you guys are. What's up?
We are at the cliff.
The cliff. So romantic, guys.
We grabbed some coffee. The guy will come by.
Ringo's already eating. Couldn't even wait. And look at our view. Alright, bon appetit. And Chris, eating all week.
Oh yeah. It's not stopping
Best birthday ever.
until Tuesday.
Then he's gonna rage. Made it to the beach. Sunday. We're just chilling here for a bit before our parking meter expires. Yeah, this is it. Look at the view. What up, Jay?
What's going on, man? Nice views today.
Not bad. Not bad.
Did you see the sign? No drones.
Where? Oh, there's some seals on there, or on that rock, right? Yeah, that's. Holy cow! 100 degrees? Oh man.
It was nice this morning.
Shit. It's so hot, yeah. Hot, yeah. Alright, we just left Ronnie's place and we're heading down to LA. How long is it?
Hour and 20.
Hour and 20, the usual traffic.
In a quarter mile, use the right lane to turn right onto the California 73 North ramp.
Did you get the photo?
What photo?
No. Oh, it still didn't upload? I uploaded.
User error.
Oh, look, 98 degrees. Let's try to hit 100.
Use the right lane to the
Yeah,
north.
98 degrees.
In 500, right at the fork.
Keep right at the fork.
It's not your birthday.
Argue in the back.
I tell you when it's your birthday.
In half a mile, merge onto I-405
Jason's
north.
rules. Jason's rules on the fly.
That's right. I tell you when it's your birthday.
Oh man. Salty.
Salty.
We're salty.
Saltiness.
Continue on I-405 north
Oh,
for
yeah.
21 miles.
To LA.
Because we're leaving Ron's. We're so angry.
So sad.
And Ron is so happy.
I was like,
Leaving.
Why are we leaving?
don't bring these guys back. Don't invite them back again.
You got a ghost on us tonight.
Yep.
You buy, I buy.
Oh no, I might go buy a laptop and a hard drive.
I don't pick one up.
Buying laptops now.
I need to vlog when I move.
I will pick one out for you.
Oh no, Apple Roo. I don't buy no Apple Roos.
MacBook Pro with student discount.
No.
I brought my student card.
Get that
What's that? Me?
Oh yeah, the Xiaomi.
Xiaomi.
Can you, can you even buy it here?
Oh, you can.
The new one has graphics.
To be honest, I would probably get a Surface.
Jason's picks.
I've been doing a bunch of research. But for that price, depends on your budget too.
Damn.
Budget, no limit.
Oh,
Oh,
MacBook then.
no.
MacBook
No Apple Roos.
Pro. Apple.
You don't get ports.
I know, I had to buy like the dongles.
Oh yeah.
I had to buy those ding dongs.
You need a dongle for everything.
Shut up, bitch.
Most balling minimalist I know.
Right there.
He murder you.
Right there. We made it. We made it to our Airbnb in Santa Monica. Look at this place. Very nice place. This is the kitchen. Very nice and clean. Oh, this is Chris's. Oh man, it's hot. This is a hot ass room. But yeah. Oh, here's the washroom. Oh man. Nice washroom.
It's alright.
Not bad. Not bad.
I think it's pretty nice.
What's in here?
It's just the connection.
Connection? Oh.
Well, that's Chris's room.
So this is 26th Ave Tacos, which is right there on this random street. So, yep.
Chris
All right.
was getting scared.
Yeah, Adrian and his wife Nancy didn't come. Same with Ron and Phon. They had to leave early. Very good, very good.